We're going to make a model spindle. This is a half size, third size, somewhere in there of what's going to be balusters for a veranda. Here's some of the turned balusters I spotted around Lancaster County for a slideshow I presented to the Woodturners Coffee Hour about a couple of weeks ago. These are some of my favorites and some of the ones that were the most interesting. And from the art world, the humanoid bill bouquets of the surrealist Magritte. I like to make sketches of what I'm going to do, but I don't draw really well. It's just little doodles on my sketchbook. This turned out to be the key drawing. It shows the cannon form in two orientations, how the ball could move on a wave, and also a plausible bead and pommel detail for the top and bottom of the baluster. The techniques I'm about to show you allow you to model any kind of baluster that you can imagine, really, using a few simple parts. Mine are mostly made out of cherry, and in a minute I'm going to show you how to turn them, and then we'll get back to more design experiments later in the video. Skew chisel. Spindle roughing gouge. Find the center to locate the ball. General purpose bowl and spindle gouge with a 40-40 grind.